Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Whoo, what time is it? It's time to learn about the time. Okay, you guys, please do not forget to like and subscribe and also turn on your notifications so that you can keep up with our amazing content. Now today we'll be looking at time. Some of you do not know how to read watches and some do, but bear with me. In this video we will be discussing how to read time so that we can all understand, and when they ask us what time is it, that we can know what time it is. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the small hand here, let's refer to them as hands. The small hand here is called an hour hand. Now, an hour hand tells you what hour it is. For you to understand, to know what hour it is, you have to focus on the small hand. And the long hand here, as you can see, it is very long. Look at it. Oh, it's very long. You need to know that this is your minute hand. It's your minute hand. So you have two hands in this case. At other times you get that you have three hands and they show second, you have your second hand, minute hand, and then hour hand. But in this case we'll only focus on the hour hand, which is the short one, and the minute hand, which is the long one. You get that, right? Okay, as you can see here, it is pointing at 12. It means that it is 12. The hour is 12. But in order for you to know the minute of the day, you have to look at this. So now, to make it simple for you, you see these lines here. We have lines in between the numbers. So these lines here will tell you the minute, the number of the minutes at that time. So now, for example, look at this one. It is pointing directly at 2, and this is the line that is pointing directly at 2. So let me show you how you get to know the minutes. So you see it is pointing directly here and it is directly at 2. So let's count how many minutes it is. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So straight to 1, it is 5 past 12. It's 5 minutes after 12 o'clock, which is 5 past 12. Because when you count these small lines here, they are 5 up until you reach 1. Look at it like this. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's 5. So you have 5 lines, which means that it is 5 minutes after 12. It is 5 past 12. And then when you continue counting the lines, you remember we are going straight to 2. So you continue counting the lines. You set 5 here straight, just opposite 1. So now we continue to count. You say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then so you understand why every time the minute the minute hand points at 2, they say it is 10 past 12. So it is 10 past. Every time it is pointing at 2, it is 10 past, because the minutes that they have counted there up until they reach 2 are 10 minutes. So to continue that way, we'll continue counting. So it's going to be, this was 10, and then it gets to be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Straight to 3 is 15 minutes past 12. But now there's another way to call that, of which it is quarter past 12. Quarter past 12. We say quarter past 12 because our hour is 12, and now we are assuming that this minute line has moved from 2 to 3. So now we are 15 minutes after 12, and that is quarter past 12. Let's continue counting. So you had 15 here, opposite 3, and now we are continuing to count. Let's get counting. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, of which it is straight to 4, if you can watch closely here. Pardon my handwriting and my drawing, I'm not good with that. So now, because it is 20, now we say 20 past 12, because the hour hand, which is the short one, it is still pointing at 12. It is still pointing at 12. So now it is 20 past 12. And then you continue counting. You say 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So straight to 5, it is 25 past 12. Good, 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 good. Let's continue counting. And then say you continue counting 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 is 30 minutes after 12 o'clock, which in other words you can say it is half past 12. Half past 12, because because you can see that from 12 to here already half time of the minutes has passed. Half time of the minutes has passed. This is like a whole, and then half of it has already passed. That is why we say half past 12. Don't forget, this is your hour hand. It is pointing at 12. That is why we are saying it is half past 12. Let's continue. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So here it's 35 minutes after 12, which is 25 to. 25 to. Oh, before I forget, you see from 12 up until 6. This side is your pass side, and this is your to side. Your to side. So we said this is 5 past, this is 10 past, this is quarter past, this is 20 past, this is 25 past, and this is half past. And then when we get here, we say this is 25 to. 25 to. So 7, straight to 7, you have 25 to. But now it is no longer 25 to 12. It is now 25 to 1. 25 to 1. And then you continue. And then 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So it is 40 minutes after 12. But when in another way, you can say it is 20 to 1. 20 to 1. And then you continue counting. You had 40 here. You say 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So 45 is straight to 9. And then from this 45, you say it is quarter to 1. Quarter to 1. You can see. Okay? Let's continue. You say 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 50 is straight to 10. So 50 minutes is straight to 10, and it's 50 minutes after 12. And in alternatively, you can say it is 10 to 1. 10 to 1, which means it is 10 minutes before 1 o'clock. So you see, let's continue. And then it's 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So 11 is 55 minutes. It is 55 minutes, and now it is 55 minutes after 12 o'clock. And now you can also say it is 5 to 1, which means it also tells you that there's only 5 minutes left until it is 1 o'clock. I'm sure you understand that. Okay, let's continue. And then you have 55 here, and then you have 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 60. So immediately it is pointing at 12. Your minute hand points at 12. It is o'clock. Whatever hour it is, that hour, o'clock. So if the minute hand was pointing at 12, and the hour hand was pointing at 12, we would say the time is 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. You see? So do not forget, this is 5 past, and this is 5 to. This is 10 past, and this is 10 to. and then this is quarter past, and this is quarter to, and this is 20 past, and this is 22, and this is 25 past, and this is 25 to, this is half past. So the number of minutes, you can literally count them. You can literally count them, as you can see the line, the small lines on right at the end of the watch. You can see the lines, so you can count how many minutes it is. And in order for you to call on that minute as well as the hour, you need to watch which number is pointed by the hour hand, which is the shorter hand, and then you know the hour. If it was pointing at 1, it was going to be 1. The hour was going to be 1, and then the minute hand, wherever is pointing. So if it was pointing at 1, it was going to be 10 past 1. Why? Because there are 10 minutes from 12 up until to 2. There are 10 minutes. So you already know how to call these numbers whenever you are coming face to face with your watch. So now let's just watch this closely to understand it. And yeah, that's just about everything that we've had for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you on our next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and to share this video to your friends and anyone you think might actually benefit to it. Thank you so much. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.